Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant, Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, coming to the market yesterday, we could see the market actually opening with the gap down and the fall continued. In fact, at one point of time, even 18,550 was kind of broken, but then we could see the final close at 18,560. So, one thing is clear that Nifty has taken a break from the rally and it is probably getting weaker for some time until something really strong comes up to actually take the Nifty further higher. So as of now, we could expect that at least the higher highs are not going to happen for now. Let us see how the market actually reacts. Now, one important thing to look at is the institutions have started selling again. FIs have gone back to selling, and that's how it happened yesterday as well. So yesterday, FIIs and DIs both were sellers, and not only that, we could see the RBI repo rate details coming out after the monetary policy announcement yesterday. So in fact, the RBI actually increased the repo rate by 0.35%, which is actually slightly more than expectation. Expectation was 0.25 to 0.3%, but then it was slightly more at 0.35%. That was okay. In fact, after this announcement, market actually started going up. But what happened after that is something that needs to be noticed. So first thing, they came out and announced that the GDP growth for next year, that is 22-23, which was projected at 7% earlier, has now been decreased to 6.8%. So this was the first one. Second thing is they also were little hawkish in the comments, stating that they are monitoring the data of inflation. Though Indian markets have been resilient compared to the global markets, they would still monitor how the data comes out on the inflation side and then decide when to stop the increasing of rates. So that means this increasing of rates, though it has reduced from 0.5% last time to 0.35% this time, but at least it is not going to stop. The increase is not going to stop anytime soon. So this was kind of what kind of gave some jitters to the market, and we could see the entire Nifty falling down. So that was something which triggered the downfall in the market yesterday, and there was big. In fact, you should see that each fall and rise was also like a confused stage, because one candle was suddenly a big green and one candle was suddenly big red. So it was a complete volatile day with the bearish trend, of course, and we could see the Nifty closing downwards. In fact, the major sectors like real estate and auto sector, which is mainly dependent on these bank loans, have actually fallen bigger. Majorly, of course, we see when the interest rates go up, the sales of real estate and automobile can actually go down. So this is something that is seen yesterday. So majorly, we could see the fall in auto sector, realty sector. IT sector also fell yesterday, majorly because the Nasdaq had fallen in the US a day before yesterday. So with all this, it was a bearish day in the market. So if you see this entire week, right from the last expiry, has been a bearish week. So we have been seeing Nifty falling multiple times, but then of course there is a strong support right now at 18,550, and if that is broken, the next support is at 18,500 and 18,450. So these are important ranges to be looked out. However, today being the expiry, we might see big volatility, and we might see even touching 18,500. So, but then I'm expecting the market to kind of recover slightly by end of the day. Let's see if that happens. Like we always say, let's not predict the market, but let's anticipate. So this is what I anticipate for the market today. And with the anticipation that we've done in the last 1 week, we are sitting with some really good profits in gold and gold plus. So that means things are going really well for us right now. So apart from that, if we look at today, so today being the expiry, if you look at the Asian markets are already trading in the negative except Hong Kong. So Hong Kong is slightly up, and otherwise every other market is kind of negative in the market today. Even SGX Nifty has gone negative today, and we can expect again a small gap down opening in the Indian market. So that could be expected, but in spite of gap down, there might be some sell-off, and probably by end of the day, probably we could see some recovery is what I expect. And based on this, let us take some trades as well. Apart from that, for investors at MPI Invest, of course, we know that we have already taken out funds from the equities and kept that safe at different assets, which can be liquidated when the market sees a low, and we could actually add and come back to the rally. So that is something that we can expect. However, for December, today the major focus I would say for today is of course the Gujarat elections. So today that Gujarat election results also, as the counting begins, there will be different kind of result that comes out. Like one area would give a different result, another area will give a different result. So based on this, there can be volatile movements in the market. But however, as per exit polls, it is going to be a strong government in Gujarat, so that if happens again can continue to keep the market stable. Otherwise, that can actually be even damaging the market. So that's something that we need to look out for. However, I'm expecting things to be kind of better, not bad. So that means we may not have a very bad day as well. So let's see how the market actually reacts to all these things. Apart from that, if you look at December, it's generally a dull month. The only thing that we can expect, or I don't know whether it can happen right now. So US markets have continued to be weak and has been falling continuously. Yesterday also they've fallen, but yesterday the strength of fall has actually reduced. So that is something good. So probably US market is about to take some support. Probably we could see that they take support today or this week. That actually can be some positivity to the market. But apart from that, generally there is a rally seen just ahead of Christmas. So which is also called sometimes as Santa rally. So will that happen is something that needs to be watched out. So if that happens in the US, that's kind of going to support the Indian market as well. So apart from that, there is no other fundamental reason why the market should actually fall or rise now. Major news has actually been factored in. So I don't see a reason to have a big movement, but it could be more of a consolidation that could be expected in the upcoming days. So with this, let us look forward to yet another great day, a good expiry, and wishing you all a great expiry with good profits, and looking forward to coming to end of the week. So tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, and we will meet after that on Sunday for all the discussion of all these important things that happen in this week. So wishing you all a great day ahead. This is Srikant and signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share this with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.